now we will do a quick walkthrough of the website. So this is the pEEp landing page. You can see I've already made an account and we already have a handful of posts, but I'll just go through the process of making a new account. So all I have to do is hit register, fill in some information. And now that I made my account, I can log in. So once I've logged in and authenticated myself, you can see that I'm presented with new options now. So I now have the option to create a post, upload images, view my own posts, view all my images, etc. And additionally, if I want to, maybe make a comment on this guy's post, I can say, "Wow, that's cool. Keep the grammar correct." And you can see that there's a little comment section, and there's a comment section for each and every post. So next, I'll just show how to create a post. All I have to do is hit this little link, fill in some information, and I'll show you how to add some images. So like I said earlier, there is a limit of 10 images per post, and it'll give you a kind of a warning message, and it won't, your post won't be submitted if you add more than 10. I'm gonna add 7, and once I make that post, you can see that all 7 of those images were put into a carousel. So now I can kind of navigate between all of them. Yeah. So next I'll show the image management system that we have. So if I go to view my images, you can see that there's nothing there. So I'll just go ahead and upload some images, upload the same 7 images. And like we mentioned earlier, we do limit non-premium users to 45 free uploads, but we do notify you how many uploads or free uploads you have remaining. So in this case, this user has 38 free uploads remaining. And I'll just go ahead and add those same 7 images so we can see how the 3x3 grid splits into multiple pages when there's some overflow. And you can see that so now I only have 31. And you can see that this turns into 2 pages, each based on the 3x3 grid. So now for the options on each image, if you click this little options button, you can choose to identify the bird. And you can see that it thinks that this is a purple finch, and it's not, so the accuracy is not 100%. But once I did that model prediction, it'll add it to the identified birds folder. And then additionally, if I want to add it to my favorites folder, all I have to do is click add to favorites. It tells you that it was added. You can see that it was added to the favorites. And then there's also this option for adding it to the training images. And essentially what this does is it notifies pEEp that you want this image to be used in our training set for future versions of our AI model. So in this way, users can choose to contribute to pEEp and to science. And lastly, I'll just delete my account. And you can see that the post that I made is now gone. And yeah, that's all the main features that we've implemented.